I don't think Mom's truck has problems. She said it was making noises like a leaf blower. If you guys know anything about this sound, let me know. Hopefully it's still making a sound. So I'll pop the hood and get everything ready. Fire it up, and we'll check for some weird noises. Maybe something stuck in the drive shaft, or maybe just air conditioning fans popping on, but we'll check. It was very hot yesterday. So it seemed a little bit rough, like it's got a bit of a, you can hear a bit of vibration happening, but no whooshing sounds. That's just the airbox. Maybe when it's moving, because if it's coming from the dryer shaft, well, it's at least look good. Make sure there's nothing stuck on there, like a bag or farm junk. She was up getting hay, so. I don't hear any problems yet. Of course, we're just starting it up, so it's still it's still cold. But it's coming from the dryer shaft. It's not going to make any noise until it's spinning. And I hear nothing. Maybe Mom's just crazy. She did have a full load of hay on, so the extra weight, I don't know. You know, the transmissions in these things are kind of weird. I'm surprised this one still works like new, but usually they're slipping and sliding with this much mileage on them. It's got 275,000 kilometers. And I believe it's a 1998. That's, you know, nothing major, but 275 for a big old truck like this is a lot. Alright, I don't hear anything. Nothing is out of the ordinary. Let's try it with the air conditioning on. Oh, safety enthusiasts. You guys? Oh. Alright, air conditioning. She said it was on yesterday, so. We'll just leave that on for a bit. See if any. I was thinking maybe like the AC condenser fan just popped on and she's never heard them before, but what do I know? I'm no professional mechanic. I'm just a backyard mechanic. Yeah, there's no noise coming out of this thing whatsoever. But if anything happens, I'll let you know. Anyways, that's enough for now. I gotta get back, get some work done. Still got painting to do and shit to get done. Maybe yard work. I guess we'll have the truck. I'll take it back to my place and grab the weed whacker, because, you know, I gotta get some weed whacking done over at Mom's place. It's just it's a mess. It's like the last of the grass. It's all just dying because it's so hot lately. It's like, I'd say 100 Fahrenheit inside my house the other night. Oh my God, was that ever hot. We're home. She's good for now. We'll go back and do some weed whacking and then on to the next thing I do. Alright, see ya. Alright, so I got some weed whacking done, but fun little fact. This little shack here, this used to be here in like the early 1900s. I think like 1906 it was built. And there used to be a railroad down Tatlow Road. And I guess the guys that lived here were like maintaining it or something. And then they eventually built the real house. But that's why there's like all this ancient shit around here, like. You want a saw? That would be a bitch to take down a tree with. It's only got one handle on it too. So it's like a one-person saw. I think there's a bow saw over here too. That's a big honker. Yeah, one of the biggest ones I've seen. Yeah, that's the Magic Shack. That's what the original people called it. Probably like over 100 years old. That was funny. I heard like some cars roaring up the road. I'm like, who's that? It's a fucking renter. It's Clay, just being a goof. Anyways, I gotta go. And I got stung the other day when I was getting my drone, so that sucked. But I did not have an allergic reaction. But that's like, it did swell up pretty good. It was right there, eh? And that was like on Friday or Saturday, but it's Tuesday now and it's still showing. So if that's I'm just glad I didn't have an allergic reaction because I could have like died. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye, and don't get stung.